Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto finance and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is a lot of news coming out with Ripple and XRP, Bitcoin ETF, Solana. I'm going to go through my crypto day trading bots on OKX and 3Commas, and I'm putting some bullish things up in the community tab. I'm sorry I'm laughing, but someone just made a comment on one of my posts. But anyway, let's get into the video, bulls. Obviously, we've got updates in relation to Ripple and XRP. That is a given, potentially hitting $10,000. This is from a Ripple co-founder, which is just nuts. And obviously Ripple and XRP, I should say just Ripple, more to the point because they're two separate things. Ripple is preparing for an IPO, that is an initial public offering going on the stock market. I can honestly say that I will be, sorry, I've got something in my eye. I will be buying that stock for sure. All right, I will. Now we've got XRP now available in 72 countries. Valkyrie expects a spot Bitcoin approval in November. That's this month. And we obviously have Solana news as well. There's a lot to get through. Let's get into it, bulls. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth, all right? So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting freaking crazy in this space. I love it. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence, all right? It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, I think I need some water. But we've got some bullish stuff happening in the community tab. All right, I don't care. I'm keeping this thing rolling. I really don't care. You want real? This is real. All right, let's get into it, bulls. I'm keeping it entertaining. Yes, Jeremy Hogan officially responding to my tweet. Now, of course, I'm looking for a badass cowboy hat, and the legend Jeremy Hogan is basically saying, Stetson. I have a few Stetsons, but not cowboy hats. So let me know if you actually know any other brands, by the way. I would love to know. Let me know in the comments. All my American friends, you guys know what's up there, so let me know. These are the 3Commas deals that I've got going on at the moment. I'm going to show you all of this as well. Like, legit, if I was to trade this manually, it would be virtually impossible, all right? So they're the deals on 3Commas. Scrolling down, by the way, links are below in the video description for that. Go check it out. There is a Bank of International Settlements conference occurring. This is why I'm laughing, because as before I started filming this, someone commented. But we've got Brad and Gary Gensler going to be at the same conference. No BS. This is hilarious, right? And I basically said, who would win out of a cage match, a UFC cage match? And 86% of you already have said Brad Garlinghouse. Of course he would. Gary Gensler, 14%. Then I come to the comments, and who said Gary? Come on, man. That's hilarious. That's made me laugh. Now, this is no BS. This is one of my Patreon members. Thank you very much. You know who you are. You're a legend. And basically saying, awesome. I set up my some of my own 3Commas bots. He's up $242 in 4 hours. No BS. I'm going to show you that in a second, guys. Go join up to the Wall Street Bull Patreon. The link is there. It's in the video description. You can't miss it. It's bullish stuff. No BS, all right? Now, are you bullish on Solana? 55% yes, 45% no. I'm bullish on Solana. Now, we've got top altcoins in the portfolio today. Gas, CKB, Illuvium, which was $1,000 in the previous bull market. Okay, play to earn games. Rose and Kin, couple of alts up in the portfolio. Now, let's go to Coinspot. They are an official partner of the channel, and this is where I buy and sell my cryptos in Australia to obviously cash out to the bank or use my crypto debit card. You don't even need a freaking bank. Who needs a bank? Anyway, links are below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, prices are in Aussie dollars. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at 54,000 Aussie dollars today. Ethereum's at 2,800. XRP at 96 cents. Come on. Bullish. It's incredibly undervalued in my opinion. And these price predictions coming out again from a Ripple co-founder Wild. Solana as well, $64, up nearly 5.7% today. Nice. Cardano's at 51. Doge at 10 cents. Gosh, that's gone really quiet as well. Toncoin, 3.5. I am trading this on my OKX bots. I have no idea what the F is wrong with my throat today. Weird. Chainlink, $17. Moving nicely, bulls. Very, very nicely. Matic, $1.05. Polkadot, $7. Shiba Inu, 0.24%. I'm still holding on to SHIB. A lot of burns happening with this project, bulls. Stellar is up 3% to 19 cents. Hedera, 8 cents as well. Scrolling down, VeChain still holding strong above 3 cents. This thing's been like flatlining for months. Finally, Optimism, 2.2 right here. Quant is 155. Scrolling down, banking coins. ALGO's at 17 cents. Axie Infinity, $8.64. I was staking that. Screw you, Australian financial regulator, ASIC, for stopping the earn feature on coins, but it was very convenient, and there was no lockups either. Ridiculous. XDC at 8 cents as well. CFX, 24 cents. Gala is at 2 cents. Scrolling down, IOTA's at 26 cents, and Casper at 5 cents as well. Reef, let's have a look. Up 9.8%. Bullish. Nice. Still in the pennies, by the way. XYO as well. Still down, but I'm still bullish on the project. Geospatial tracking technology. It's nice. Anyway, moving on. We have the Wall Street Bull University. Bulls. Nice stuff going on here. This is my actual Patreon page where I put up everything that's making me money, and it would be considered financial advice. So go join up to that. It is linked below. All my buys, sells, trades, indicators, day trading bots, my futures grid trading bots on OKX, the full setup videos for 3 commas. I'm getting so many messages about this, and I've got full instructional videos in the Patreon, how to set these up. You can literally copy trade everything that I'm doing. I've put up the full list. It took me ages to do that, by the way. A lot of work goes into this, and you will need an account on obviously 3 commas and OKX. Now, with 3 commas, if you use the referral link below, you'll get 50% off a yearly membership. That's if you want to buy it the whole year so you don't have to worry about it. Or alternatively, you can use the monthly subscription, which is what I'm doing, and you will get 10% off that as well. So links are below for that, and everything is in the Patreon, okay? No BS. More importantly, I love speaking with everyone in here directly. There's nobody else running this but me. Just making that very freaking clear. And there's 1,368 posts of juicy information. Go look it up. It's linked below, and there are 557 members. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. And if you're watching the video, thank you very much. Without you, I couldn't do this. Now, I'm going to show you my 3 commas bots because I do this every single day. And here are all my completed deals. I should say the active deals. These are all the altcoins that I'm trading at the moment. Literally like 50 plus altcoins. I've got one bot at the moment that's running with 68 pairs with USDT. It's wild. And I come over to my bots. Let's just go back here. You can see this. Now, this is the app on 3 commas. Really good way of monitoring your bots. However, I wouldn't recommend setting them up on the app. It's just too complicated. You can basically monitor them, switch them off, turn them on, whatever you actually like to do. Let's just wait for this to load. I am trading on multi-bots as well. Here we go. I've got the mother load. So I set this up the other day. It's on 68 pairs on a long position. Layer 1 coins. I've got my ISO 222 bots with, 12 altcoins in there, 14 on the layer 1s, and of single pairs as well on 15x leverage. Now, I am trading with leverage. I do not recommend this because, again, it is really risky, but I've found a sweet spot between 10 to 15x leverage. That is it. If you go more than that, you're going to get liquidated. Believe me, I've done it. It's not financial advice, but be careful. Don't go and investing something stupid into this bulls, please. Links are below. Let's have a look at OKX as well. See what the profits are being made today. I'm up 127 today. The market's a bit quiet. This happens over the weekend. And if there was any bullish news coming out over the weekend, well, this thing would be going parabolic. But as you can see, this is my actual portfolio. OKX is an official partner. Use the links below if you wish to trade on OKX. That's 0.6% today. On the week, I'm up 10%. That's $1,700. Very, very nice. On the month, I'm up 37%. That's $5,184. And where it gets crazy is the 6 months. I'm up 1,096%. No BS, okay? $18,871 Australian. Now, I just want to point out as well, I started out with 2,000 USDT in 3 commas. Every time I record a freaking video, there's a truck, a fire truck. There we go. Sorry, guys. Every time, every weekend, it's nuts. Anyway, so 2,000 USDT, I've taken a significant amount of profit and put that into my holding wallet. Okay, so there's two wallets. You're obviously your standard holding wallet or your trading wallet. I've taken profits out. I've got 6,000 Australian dollars trading for me. That's what's making those gains. If I wanted to increase that, I could. Moving down, let's have a look at the 3 commas deals. Currently got 260 orders in the book. That is a lot, okay? Opening orders, closing orders, etc. on 15x leverage. Don't trade with leverage. I don't recommend it. Now, positions. 127 positions opened up. If I was to do this manually, I've said it before and after again, you just impossible. You wouldn't be able to do it. This is why I love this and why I'm seeing those gains, because I'm trading a very diversified market, okay? Now, you can see here the deals which are currently open. Some of them are in profit. Some of them are in the negative. Those are obviously coins that are going in the opposite direction. However, they will stay in the deal until they make profit. And if you're trading with higher leverage than 15x, yes, you're going to have issues because you can get liquidated. So just keep that one in mind. Moving down, you can see the deals that have come into profit. I've got my bot set up to 1.5% profit, trading on an RSI indicator. That's the 3-minute time frame. You can adjust this to whatever you like and whatever you're comfortable with. Here are the profits being made, okay? Now, this one here I got liquidated out of. That's a short on IOTA. That was 32 USDT liquidated. I'm not worried about that because these bots will make this up. Now, you can see these were all today. That is the 4th of November that have basically come out of the deals. Now, you know, I get a lot of questions and comments about this, but for me, anyway, I've been using 3 commas now for 2 years and have had, you know, nothing but success with it. And I've finally mastered this because with leverage, you can make higher gains, but it does come with risk, okay? I just want to make that very, very clear. Now, going to the bots that are built in on OKX, I'm up 36% on Casper. These are with ridiculous leverage at 50x. I do not recommend this. Chainlink is at 19%. You can copy all of these in the Patreon, by the way. TRB is 310. This one's remaining at a standstill because it's out of the price range. We've got IMX up 25%, WorldCoin 116%, and Optimism right here 53%. So you can do these bots. Now, there are some new signal bots that were launched on OKX as well. Here they are, the signal bots. These are new. You can go check them out if you wish. I'm going to try them out over the weekend, and I'll let everyone know how it goes. But anyway, everything's in the Patreon, okay? So go join up. Link is below. Very, very bullish community. Now, crypto bubbles. Let's have a look. We've got a lot going on here. Everything's pretty much in the green. WeMix, 22% on the day, trading at $1.60 right here. That's nice. Arbitrum, I am day trading this with my 3 commas bots right here. 12% on the day, 14% on the week, and 19% on the month. Very, very nice gains at $1.05. Let's have a look and try and find our favorites. Solana, very bullish on Solana, 6.7% on the day, $40 US. This thing's been going crazy all week, 27%. It's still up 76% on the month. Very, very nice right here. Now, where is our favorite? XRP. Let me see if I can find it. Let's keep having a look. This always freaking happens, bulls, all the time. Let me have a look. I can't see it. It's probably too freaking small. Either that or I'm just going blind from looking at computer screens. Nah, forget it. Can't see it. Can't see it. Don't care. Moving on. Here we go. Found it. It's like, where's Wally? Anyone remember that? Anyway, 3.5% on the day, trading at 61 cents. It's doing quite nicely on the week. It's up 12%. So really, really good. And there is bullish news coming out. Now, getting into quickly in the news, I'm not going to go through all of it, but Ripple co-founder says that XRP price will reach $10,000. Interesting, right? But an interesting development is the rumors that are circulating on social media regarding the XRP price and the lesser-known Ripple co-founder Arthur Brito. Apparently, Brito had given an ultra-bullish forecast for the digital asset with the expectation that it would become valued at 5 digits. That'd be just mind-blowing, right? And we're talking US dollars now, okay? As opposed to the price prediction by Brito, it's rapidly returning onto social media after a well-followed news account posted about it on X, formerly Twitter. In the post, CoinGeek refers to this prediction as breaking news, as saying that Brito said the XRP price would climb to $10,000. I'm waiting for someone to say something, of course. There's always going to be somebody, but anything's possible. Okay, that's what I believe. Other claims include Brito saying that the crypto is designed to accommodate nearly 7.5 billion people around the globe. Additionally, the post said that XRP price was designed to cross the $10,000 mark. And I've got this retweeted on X as well. Now, anything is possible. I'd be happy to surpass its all-time high, which I really do believe will happen. It's just only a matter of time, and we need to be patient. But $10,000 would just be like mind blown. Now, the IPO for Ripple, which is going to be very, very bullish, and it will happen. And following a string of courtroom victories, Ripple has achieved the recent months, obviously in the recent months with the SEC. Speculation on whether the company's plan to go public is increasing. And Brad Garlinghouse knows when they're going to go public. And various job openings on Ripple website hint towards the company's preparation for an initial public offering. According to the recent video published by Lewis Jackson, bullish, Crypto Lulu, a crypto pundit per Jackson's analysis right here, the firm is currently going through the preparatory stages of going public. While Ripple still maintains a focus on the international growth, there has been an observable trend towards seeking the US-based personnel, including slight shift in strategy. And the exact roles are on offer of the company's website, like manager and director of corporate development, and are crucial for the development of the major public company. Now, if they go IPO, I'm going to be buying that stock, that is for sure. Moving on, let's go to Valkyrie, because we've done a lot of XRP stuff right here. Yeah, your freaking cookies. I hate the cookies. I hate them. Valkyrie's McClurg right here expects a Bitcoin ETF approval this month. Stephen McClurg, co-founder of Valkyrie Investments, believes the US SEC will approve multiple spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF applications in November 2023. His assessment firms have addressed all the issues on the market manipulation raised by the regulator. And by McClurg's estimation, the regulator may send another round of comments to those who submitted for ETFs in the next next 1 to 3 weeks, followed by approval of the 19B-4 rule changes in November 2023. If that happens, look out. Now, we've got Bitcoin ETF, obviously could send Bitcoin's price to 150K, and I honestly believe that. There's just too much institutional money coming into this space. And Nashville-based international asset manager Alliance Bernstein Holding, better known for Bernstein, has become the latest firm to say Bitcoin is due for a significant rally. Yes, it is. In the near future, predicting the top crypto could rise to $150,000 by 2025. I think we're going to see it a hell of a lot higher than that. That's just my opinion. And you may not like Bitcoin as much as we do, but a disproportionate view on Bitcoin as a commodity suggests the turn of the cycle. And a good idea is only as good as the timing. SEC-approved ETFs by world's top asset managers seems imminent. I agree. Scrolling down, Solana is nearing a 300% price rally recently, led by institutional buying. So a lot of big players are buying this. And the price of smart contract platform Solana is up nearly 300% so far this year, and over 50% in the last 2 weeks. Wow. With the rally seemingly mostly driven by buying pressure on the NASDAQ-listed crypto exchange Coinbase. And according to the data from Keiko right here, as CoinDesk firm first reported, the cumulative volume delta flowing into Solana, has risen by almost $1 million on Coinbase, a sign of more buying than selling. And on Binance and Kraken, the net flow has also turned positive earlier this week, while on Upbit, South Korean exchange, it has been negative. I don't care. I'm still dollar cost averaging into Solana. Now, the buy flow, we've got money going into Bitcoin, ETH. We've got Doge as well. We've got Filecoin, Pepe. Bots still trading on that one as well. ARK, Chainlink, very, very nice coins. Let's go to X. And before I do, please go follow me on Instagram. This is my official page. No BS, okay? I would love to see this absolutely climb. So go, link down below. Go subscribe to it. Let's go to X. Let's go. All right, the Wall Street Bull Oz, thank you very much to those 5,600 plus people. You guys absolutely rock. This is my XRP skull ring with the blue gemstones. Very fitting. You can grab this for yourself on my website. The link is on my Twitter page. Go and have a look. Yes, that's me singing country. Jeremy Hogan, absolute legend, mate. Thank you very much for your tweet about the cowboy hat. But Eldorado is highlighting this case because they are in damages phase. And this case is saying that XRP holders must have lost money on XRP in order for Ripple to be liable. And if you bought XRP for under its current price, you haven't been damaged by Ripple at least. And this is Stuart Eldorado's tweet right here. Another loss this week for the SEC. The streak continues. The Second Circuit in the SEC versus Govel held that the SEC can't ask for crippling disgorgement right here award without first proving that investors suffered actual financial harm. In other words, no harm, no foul. But in actual fact, the SEC actually harmed a lot of XRP investors. Now, Coinbase, something interesting. Thank you, Edo Farina, right here. But thousands of Coinbase users were reporting cannot access their funds. Very, very interesting what's happening there. Now, moving down, let's have a look here. This is the Bank of International Settlements conference, and Brad Garlinghouse and Gary are going to be there. It's going to be very interesting what occurs. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 68 at the moment. Yes, I'm more bullish on racing these kind of horses than actual horse races in Melbourne. I think it's just trash. That's just my opinion, though. And yes, we have Sam Bankman-Fried. There are some funny memes going around, man. Another price glitch at 22.54 USD on Coinbase. Very, very interesting right here. There is a full interview with Michael Saylor on Bitcoin, and yes, he's bullish. Let's keep scrolling down. These are the profits. Yes, that is my video. And yes, that is one of my Patreon members. Kathy Wood says that she would choose Bitcoin over gold, hands down. I tend to agree with her. She's been very, very bullish, especially on Tesla. Now, CoinMarketCap, I actually don't even have that open. Let's have a look here, bulls. Let me bring that up. See what's going on in the market, then we'll end up on this. Now, total market cap is $1.29 trillion, $38 billion in volume, 52% Bitcoin, 17% ETH. Top altcoins in my portfolio: Gas, Kin, Neo, Reserve Rights, XPR, Rose, CKB, and Illuvium. Now, the full list goes up in the Patreon every single day, even when I'm literally half asleep, because my Patreon members and everyone on this channel is important. Top altcoins in my banking list, and yes, Solana is up there as well, up 6% today. Can't go past XRP, of course, and the full list I'm going to put up in the Patreon as well, just as a reminder of what I'm holding. 10,300% bulls, that is it. Bullish. Can't wait for XRP to go parabolic. It's only a matter of time before that switch gets flicked. All right, bulls, I'm out of here. Make sure you subscribe to the Patreon. It is linked below. Follow me on social media. And bulls, go check out my skull ring on the website. That would mean a lot to me, all right? I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. I'm going to do a 3 commas bot update, and you guys are going to be blown away by that. So stick around for that tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a good evening, a good afternoon, and a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso, all right? Peace out, bulls. Bye.